Hello children, in this video we are going to learn chapter 5 acoustics. Sound plays a major role in our life. We communicate with each other mainly through sound. In our daily life we hear a variety of sounds produced by different sources like humans, animals, vehicle horns. Hence, it becomes inevitable to understand how sound is produced and how it is propagated and how you hear the sound from various sources. Acoustics. It is a branch of physics that deals with production, transmission, reception, control and effects of sound. You have studied about propagation and properties of sound waves in your lower classes. In this lesson, we will study about reflection of sound waves, echo and Doppler effect. When you think about sound, the question that arise in your minds are: how is sound produced? How does sound reach our ears from various sources? What is sound? Is it a force or energy? Let us answer all these questions. What is sound wave? If you touch a ringing bell or a musical instrument while it is producing music, you can feel some vibration produced by ringing bell or a musical instrument. The vibrating bodies produce energy in the form of waves that are nothing but called sound waves. Sound can propagate through solid, liquid and gas medium, but sound cannot propagate through vacuum. This is Bell-Jar experiment. The electric bell is placed inside the sealed jar, which is connected with a battery source. By using vacuum pump, the air present inside the jar is expelled completely out. If you make the electric bell to ring, it will start to ring, but we can't hear the sound of a ringing bell because a vacuum does not allow sound wave to travel through it. But the hammer continuously hitting the gong, but the electric bell sound cannot hear by us from the outside. Sound waves are longitudinal waves that can travel through any medium with a speed that depends on the properties of the medium. As sound travels through a medium, the particles of medium vibrate along the direction of propagation of wave. This displacement involves the longitudinal displacements of individual molecules from their mean position. This results in a series of high pressure regions called compression and low pressure regions are called rarefactions. Categories of sound waves based on their frequencies. Waves are measured in terms of frequency. The unit for frequency is hertz. First, audible waves. These are sound waves with a frequency ranging between 20 Hz and 20,000 Hz. These are generated by vibrating bodies such as vocal cord, stretched strings, etc. Audible range refers to the range of sound frequencies that can be heard by human and some other animals. It is also known as hearing range. Infrasonic waves. The sound waves with a frequency below 20 Hz that cannot be heard by the human ear. The range of frequency extends down to geological vibration that complete one cycle in 100 seconds or longer. In nature, such waves occur in earthquake, waterfalls, ocean, volcano, wind, thunder, and waves. Ultrasonic waves with frequency higher than the upper audible limit of human hearing. These waves with a frequency greater than 20 kHz. Human ear cannot detect these waves, but certain creatures like mosquito, dogs, bat, dolphin can detect these waves. Example, waves produced by bats. What are the difference between sound and light waves? First, sound need medium to propagate. The medium may be a liquid, solid or gas, but light does not require any medium to propagate. Second, sound waves are longitudinal in nature, but light waves are transverse in nature. The wavelength of sound ranges from 1.65 cm to 1.65 meter. The wavelength of light ranges from 4 into 10 power minus 7 meter to 7 into 10 power minus 7 meter. The speed of sound waves in air about 340 meter per second at normal temperature pressure. The speed of light is 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. The velocity with which the particles of a medium vibrate in order to transfer the energy in the form of wave. It is called particle velocity. The velocity with which the wave travels through the medium is called wave velocity. The velocity of sound wave can be determined by using the formula velocity equal to distance by time taken. That is, the distance traveled by a sound wave in unit time is called velocity of sound wave. If the distance traveled by one sound wave is taken as one wavelength, that is lambda, and the time taken for this propagation is one time period t, then the velocity of sound wave can be written as v equal to lambda by t. Velocity equal to distance by time taken. Therefore, velocity can be defined as the distance traveled per second by a sound wave. Since frequency n equal to 1 by t or t equal to 1 by n, the above equation can be written as v equal to n into lambda. Here n is frequency, lambda is wavelength. Here the increasing order of velocity of sound wave in three phases are given. Velocity of a sound wave is maximum in solid when compared with liquid and gas. The velocity of sound wave in liquid is greater than velocity of sound wave in gas. The maximum velocity of sound in solid due to more elastic in nature, since gases are least elastic in nature. The velocity of sound is the least in a gaseous medium. What are the factors affecting velocity of sound? First one, effect of density, effect of temperature in a gas, effect of pressure in a gas. Effect of temperature. If temperature increases, the velocity of sound in a gas also increases. Thus, the velocity of sound in a gas is directly proportional to the square root of its temperature. Mathematically, it is expressed as V directly proportional to square root of temperature. Velocity at temperature T is given by the equation Vt equal to V0 plus 0.61 into T meter per second. Here V0 is the velocity of sound in the gas at 0 degrees Celsius. For air, V0 equal to 331 meter per second. Hence, the velocity of sound changes by 0.61 meter per second when the temperature changes by 1 degree Celsius. Next factor, effect of relative humidity. Humidity means the moisture present in atmosphere. When humidity increases, the speed of sound also increases. That is why you can hear sound from long distance clearly during rainy season. In our textbook, speed of sound in solid, liquid and gas medium are given with suitable example. We know that the speed of sound in solid are higher. This is because of elastic property. The speed of sound is directly proportional to the square root of elastic modulus. Thus, the velocity of sound in solid increases when elasticity of material increases. Let's see some example. The speed of sound in aluminium is 6420 meter per second. The speed of sound in water is 1493 meter per second. The speed of sound in seawater 1533 meter per second. The speed of sound in air at 0 degrees Celsius 331 meter per second. Next, reflection of sound. When you speak in an empty room, you hear a soft repetition of your voice. This is nothing but the reflection of sound waves that you produce. The definition for reflection of sound is the bouncing of sound waves from the interface between two media is termed as a reflection of sound. When sound waves travel in a given medium and strike the surface of another medium, they can be bounced back into the first medium. This phenomenon is known as reflection. The bouncing of sound waves from the interface between two media is termed as a reflection of sound. The waves that strike the interface are termed as incident waves. The waves that bounce back are termed as reflected waves. Light waves and sound waves obey some fundamental laws of reflection. There are two laws of reflection. First one, the incident wave, the normal to the reflecting surface, and the reflected wave at the point of incident lie in the same plane. Second one, the angle of incident is equal to the angle of reflection. Here, original wave, normal and reflected wave all lie in the same plane. This is first law of reflection. Here, I is the angle of incident, R is the angle of reflection. The angle of incident should be equal to the angle of reflection. This is second law of reflection observed from this figure. In this figure, the sound waves that travel toward the barrier are called incident waves. The sound waves bouncing back from the barrier are called reflected waves. For all practical purpose, the point of incidence and the point of reflection is the same point on the reflecting surface. A perpendicular line drawn at the point of incident is called the normal. Acoustical wonder of Golconda Fort, Hyderabad, Telangana. The clapping portico in Golconda Fort is a series of arches on one side, each smaller than the preceding one. So, a sound wave generated under the dome would get compressed and then bounce back amplified sufficiently to reach a considerable distance. Next, reflection of sound at a denser medium. What is a denser medium? The medium in which the velocity of sound decreases compared to other medium is called denser medium. For example, air is denser compared to water for sound. Effect of density. The velocity of sound in a gas is inversely proportional to the square root of the density of gas. Hence, the velocity of sound decreases as the density of the gas increases. Mathematically, it is expressed as V proportional to square root of 1 by D.